Stop wasting time in your kitchen doing things the hard way. These are the smart upgrades that make everything faster, cleaner, and way more efficient without taking up extra space. Today, we're diving into some of the best tiny kitchen gadgets on Amazon that are built for real everyday use. Each one solves a problem you probably deal with daily, but in a much smarter way. You'll definitely find a few you didn't know you needed, so stick around till the end and check the description for all the links. Kicking things off, this chicken shredder is one of those tools that instantly saves time in the kitchen. Instead of pulling apart hot chicken using forks and making a mess, you simply place it inside, close the lid, and twist. The rotating spikes shred everything evenly within seconds, giving you perfect texture for tacos, sandwiches, or meal prep. The anti-slip base keeps it steady while you use it, and most versions are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. A simple but satisfying upgrade, usually priced between $15 to $30. Continuing on, this electric knife sharpener completely upgrades how your knives perform every day. Instead of struggling with dull blades that slow you down and feel unsafe, this restores sharpness in seconds with minimal effort. It uses guided slots to maintain the correct angle automatically, so you don't have to guess or manually sharpen. The result is smoother cuts, better precision, and safer handling during food prep. It's one of those upgrades you notice immediately once you start using it. Most options typically range between $25 to $60. Moving along, this 2-in-1 dish soap dispenser makes your sink area cleaner and more efficient. Instead of picking up a soap bottle every time, you just press your sponge down on the top and it dispenses the perfect amount instantly. This helps reduce waste while keeping everything organized in one compact spot. It also prevents messy drips and spills around your counter, which is a big plus in smaller kitchens. Simple, practical, and easy to use daily. Most versions are usually priced between $10 to $20. Now this one's a smart space-saving upgrade, especially for smaller kitchens. This magnetic spice rack attaches directly to your refrigerator, turning unused vertical space into functional storage. Instead of overcrowding cabinets or digging through cluttered shelves, your most used spices stay visible and easy to grab. The strong magnetic base keeps everything secure, even with heavier jars. It instantly frees up counter and cabinet space while keeping your kitchen looking clean and organized. A simple but effective solution, usually priced between $20 to $40. Sliding right into something more practical, this under-sink organizer helps you take control of one of the messiest areas in your kitchen. Instead of dealing with cluttered cleaning supplies and wasted space, this creates multiple layers of organized storage. The pull-out drawers make it easy to access items in the back without reaching or rearranging everything. It's especially useful for tight cabinets where space is limited. Once installed, everything feels more structured and easy to manage. A great organization upgrade, typically priced between $25 to $50. Up next, this sliding tray is a small upgrade that makes a big difference in your daily routine. Instead of struggling to pull your coffee maker forward every time you use it, this lets you slide it out smoothly and push it back when you're done. It protects your countertop from scratches while making access effortless, especially in tight spaces under cabinets. The sturdy base keeps everything stable during use. It's simple, practical, and surprisingly convenient. Most options usually range between $15 to $30. Moving forward, these rolling fridge organizers make it much easier to manage deep shelves and hidden items. Instead of reaching into the back or forgetting what you stored, these slide out smoothly, giving you full access instantly. The built-in wheels help you pull them forward without effort, while the clear design keeps everything visible. They're perfect for fruits, snacks, or smaller containers that usually get lost in the fridge. It's a simple upgrade that reduces waste and improves organization, typically priced between $15 to $35. Right after that, these airtight storage canisters are a must-have for keeping your dry ingredients fresh and organized. Instead of dealing with open bags that spill or go stale quickly, these create a sealed environment that locks out moisture and air. The clear containers make it easy to see what you have, while the stackable design helps save space in your pantry or countertop. Perfect for flour, sugar, rice, and more. It keeps everything neat and easy to access. Most sets usually range between $30 to $60. Now this one's all about saving space without losing functionality. This stackable kitchen gadget set combines multiple tools into one compact design, so instead of cluttering your drawers, everything fits neatly together. It usually includes essentials like measuring cups, funnels, graters, and more, all stacked in a single unit. That means less mess, easier storage, and quicker access when you need it. Perfect for small kitchens or anyone who likes organized spaces. A smart and practical solution, typically priced between $15 to $25. Now moving forward, these finger guards are a simple but very useful safety upgrade for your kitchen. Instead of worrying about cutting too close while slicing vegetables, this protects your fingers by acting as a shield between your hand and the knife. It helps you maintain better control and confidence, especially when chopping quickly. The stainless steel design is durable, lightweight, and easy to use for both beginners and experienced cooks. A small tool that makes a big difference in safety, usually priced between $5 to $15. By the way, everything you're seeing here is linked below, so you can explore the ones you like without searching around later. Moving ahead, this magnetic knife holder is a clean and space-saving way to store your knives safely. Instead of cluttering your countertop with bulky knife blocks, this mounts directly on the wall and keeps everything within easy reach. The strong magnetic strip holds knives securely while displaying them in an organized way. It also helps keep blades sharper for longer since they're not rubbing against each other. Perfect for freeing up counter space while upgrading your kitchen setup. Most options usually range between $15 to $30. Right after that, this pot lid holder with a built-in drip tray keeps your cooking area cleaner and more organized. Instead of placing wet lids directly on the counter and dealing with water rings or mess, this gives you a dedicated spot to rest them while cooking. The drip tray catches any excess moisture, keeping your surface dry and tidy. It's compact, easy to place near your stove, and surprisingly useful during busy cooking sessions. A simple but effective upgrade, typically priced between $10 to $20. Now this one takes it a step further with added flexibility. This pot lid holder is designed to support different lid sizes while also holding utensils like spoons or spatulas at the same time. Instead of juggling tools while cooking, everything stays in one organized spot within reach. The angled design helps collect drips neatly, keeping your countertop clean. It's lightweight, easy to move around, and works great for everyday cooking setups. A practical multitasking tool, usually priced between $10 to $18. Moving forward, this Silicone Tools Mat is perfect for keeping your cooking space clean while working with hot utensils. Instead of placing greasy or hot tools directly on your counter or stove, this heat-resistant mat gives you a safe, non-slip surface. It helps catch oil, sauces, and residue, preventing mess from spreading across your kitchen. The flexible silicone design is easy to clean and store when not in use. It's especially useful for grilling or stovetop cooking. Most options typically range between $10 to $20. Up next, these spice gripper clips are a smart way to organize loose packets and small items in your kitchen. Instead of dealing with half-open spice bags that spill or get lost in drawers, these clips seal them tightly while keeping everything grouped together. They can be attached inside cabinets or on racks, making it easier to access what you need quickly. It's a small upgrade, but it reduces clutter and keeps your kitchen more organized. Usually priced between $8 to $15. Right after that, this anti-skid jar opener makes opening tight lids quick and effortless. Instead of struggling with slippery jars or using too much force, this provides a strong grip that helps you twist lids open easily. It works on different sizes, from small bottles to larger jars, making it very versatile in everyday use. The non-slip material ensures better control, even with wet hands. A simple tool that saves time and effort in the kitchen. Most options usually fall between $8 to $18. Now this one's a clever solution for keeping your herbs fresh for longer. This herb saver works like a mini storage container that keeps stems hydrated while protecting leaves from drying out. Instead of throwing away wilted herbs after a few days, this helps extend their freshness significantly. The compact design fits easily in your fridge and makes your ingredients last longer. It's especially useful if you cook with fresh herbs regularly. A small but smart addition, typically priced between $15 to $25. Moving along, this 3-in-1 French fry cutter makes slicing vegetables faster and more consistent. Instead of manually cutting fries or sticks unevenly, this uses interchangeable blades to create uniform cuts in seconds. It's great for potatoes, carrots, and other vegetables, saving both time and effort during prep. The sturdy design keeps it stable while you use it, giving you better control and cleaner results. Perfect for quick meal prep at home. Most options usually range between $20 to $40. Next up, these rolling grill baskets are perfect for outdoor cooking or grilling smaller ingredients. Instead of worrying about vegetables or smaller pieces falling through the grill, these baskets keep everything contained while allowing even heat distribution. You simply place your food inside, close the lid, and roll it across the grill for even cooking on all sides. It's convenient, efficient, and adds more variety to your grilling setup. A great addition for barbecue lovers, typically priced between $15 to $30. Finally, this warming mat is a great way to keep your food warm without reheating it repeatedly. Instead of rushing to serve everything at once, this maintains a consistent temperature so dishes stay ready to eat for longer. It's perfect for family meals, gatherings, or even daily use when timing different dishes. The slim design doesn't take up much space and can be easily stored when not in use. A convenient upgrade for better meal serving, usually priced between $30 to $60. And that wraps up some of the smartest tiny kitchen gadgets that can actually make your space more efficient without adding clutter. If you found even one useful, you'll find all the links down in the description so you can check them out easily. Let me know which one was your favorite, and if you enjoy these kinds of Amazon finds, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned because there's a lot more coming your way.